Welcome to this video in which we will be making this bolt. So let's start. So at first select file, click on new, select part and then click OK. And here select front plane and click on sketch. Make a polygon here, make sure it has 6 sides. Now select smart dimensions and select 2 opposite corners like this and make this dimension as 48. Okay, and now go to features, select extruded boss base, select here mid plane and set this dimension to 15. Okay, and then click OK. Now select this face, click on sketch and make a circle here at this origin from this up to this wall. And now go to features, select extruded cut. This time we will be making a profile here, so select this flip option. Let me show you again, uncheck this and now you can clearly observe it. So select this option and make it as 60 degree and here you can see the profile. This is at 60 degree. Now click OK and here you can see the profile. Let me change the background and assign it some color so that you can better visualize it. Go to appearance, select metal and in nickel I am going to assign this material. It looks better and now you can see the profile. We have to make the same profile at the back side. For this we will be using the mirror command. In the plane just expand this bar and select the mid plane. This is the front plane and in features to mirror select this last extruded cut and here we have the mirrored feature. Now select this face and click on sketch. We will be making a circle here of diameter 24 millimeter. Specify 24 mm dia and now go to features, extruded boss base and extrude it up to 100 millimeter. Change the direction from mid plane to blind, from this mid plane to blind and then click OK. And now we are only left with the thread. So select this plane, this is the top plane and click on sketch and then make lines from this corner. Make a triangular shape like this. Now select smart dimensions and make one side as 2 millimeter. Make it as 2 millimeter. Now press the control button and select all of these 3 lines. Make sure that you have pressed the control button and make relation as equal. You can make here equal as well. Okay, and now click OK. Exit the sketch and now in this curves option select this helix. Okay, helix and spiral. It will automatically reorient this part. So make a circle here at this origin and make the diameter as 24 millimeter again. As soon as you exit the sketch, this helix will automatically appear. Now let's specify the pitch as 3 and you can see the difference here. Specify the revolutions as 32 and here you can see, just reverse the direction and in starting angle it is fine 225. Clockwise direction is more preferable and then check this option. Now go to features and select swept cut option. Here this helix is already selected and in this window expand this bar and simply select this sketch. Okay, and now click OK. Now just hide this blue colored helix, zoom in, select this line, blue colored line, and click on hide. So here we have the bolt with the thread. If you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.